I was in therapy, right, about a month ago, and like passionately, I was like, Jake, I am so mad that I'm limited. And he asked me, like, if you were limitless, what would you do? And I said I want to give people hope. And so, like right now, that looks like serving them a hot crispy sandwich. It looks like serving some hot waffle fries, and my pleasure and a smile. I lead a Chick-Fil-A, the closest one to the White House. So I'm a part of just leading the business, leading myself, and leading other young adults and adults in the restaurant setting. Hope is the product, and I want to give the best, a grade A quality that I can, that God can. God has given me a speech impediment my entire life, and I've seen, like, I've been the first-hand recipient, like, of people's grace and empathy and patience. Like, I met God because of it, and I used to pray it away. And in the act of praying it away, like I'm talking to Him, I'm listening for Him. I'm yearning for Him. I'm mad at Him. I lose hope in Him. I read about Him. I know a character in the Bible, like me, Moses or whatever. But yeah, God loved me enough to give me a stutter. I felt called to wounded people. And I think all people are wounded in some way. I'm wounded, incredibly wounded. Wounded but not broken. Wounded but not dead, you know? Being at Polaris has shown me that, one, that I want to be a man, and that's incredibly simple statement, I think, but it's very profound in my head. Like, I was born a man, but I think you have to choose to be one. So being here at Polaris, being on Princeton's campus, like, I'm finally with my team. I'm finally with people that want to answer the call, that want to show up and be present. But I felt like a track star that's playing soccer. So someone who has the speed, who stands out, people can watch the game and see me make a difference. And, oh wow, who is that? But I felt like I'm playing the wrong sport. And Polaris, I think, is my track team. And for the first time, I can come here sprinting with the baton, and I can feel relieved and kind of pass it on and take a break for a minute. And it's felt restful. It's given me energy, and it makes me want to just continue the race.